How is it going, YouTube? Luis Urbieta here. Feast your eyes on this CNG garbage truck. Woo! Woo! There it is, guys. I was gonna record it on Saturday, but it sounds weird. It does sound weird. There it is. Here it comes. Thermal flask. Requested I don't share to this. Go rapid mode. Go, go, go. Woo! I don't know why, but is that my buddy Juanito? Woo! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Got it right on film, YouTube. What a weird backup sound. Oh. Chewy is coming. Car is coming. Oh, how funny. Chewy is also here. Woohoo! Neglia Construction lives on. Focusing into this garbage truck. Woohoo! Yeah! CNG, baby. Woohoo! Okay. Salud. Ay, Chuy, por favor. Ya, ya ni digan eso. Ay, Chuy, por favor. No. Don't mind that, guys. Oh. I think there's more no. Okay. Woo! I saw this on Saturday with my buddy Kieran. I love the sound. I heard it while I was coming back from picking up Israel. Woo! Woo! Okay. Woo! Woo! EDCO West in 2021, YouTube. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey!
It's going to the dump now.
Yes. There goes EDCO Waste. Lives on from 1967 to 2021, YouTube. Woo-hoo-hoo! Saw this truck on Saturday. 54 years of service. Gotta love it. Woo! That was my buddy Kieran who's coming. Great crew. Great trash truck. CNG garbage trucks. Love how they're commonplaces. Great crew. Great truck. Huh? Okay. There goes that truck to the landfill.